Hi everyone, how you doing? So I made up to make a video that I was going to share, and I said to use the opportunity to make the video I promised you all on how to identify hair types. Okay, this is going to be less than 4 minutes video, and I'm going to try to explain to you as I possibly can. Now there are basically three types of hair: the human hair wigs, the synthetic hair, and the hair blend. A human hair wig is the one that is 100% human hair, the one that's cut out, just like what I'm wearing, right? Then the hair blend is, or rather synthetic hair, is the one that's completely made of fiber. The ones we used to use those days. Do you understand? Those ones, if you style it, no matter whatever style they come with, it's going to remain like that. What happens is, as you constantly wear it, it begins to sponge at the tips, and it continues to sponge that way until it's completely done for and you can no longer use it. Then the third one is the hair blend. The hair blend is a combination of human hair wigs or human hair and then the fiber. Okay, so look at this wig I have here, and one way to know them is especially the fibers and hair blends. The fibers and hair blends are usually very shiny. The coils, or however pattern it takes to comb, is not usually changed. So if it comes as a body wave, you can hardly apply heat to it. You can only apply heat to a hair blend that has 70% human hair and 30% fiber, which you call synthetic hair, right? So this hair right now is hair blend, and you can see once you're looking at it, the hair strands are sharp. Like, it looks like it could literally injure you. There's a way you're going to drag it, and it can cut your skin, right? It's usually harder in text, like when you touch it, than the human hair. Human hair is soft and all put together. Like you can see all the strands, they are soft and together. But this is hair blend. Everything just seems to be one. Even when you look at the strands, I don't know if you can see. Can you see how this place is? That is one way to know hair blends. And of course, like I said earlier, hair blends could be 50% human hair and 50% fiber, or it could be 30% fiber and 70% human hair. It can also be 30% human hair and 70% fiber. But what you just know is, once it is not pure fiber or synthetic, and is not pure human hair, then it is most likely a hair blend, because these are the major categories we have. And another way to know them is, human hair is very cool on the skin. I'll give you an instance. When you are sweaty, when the place is hot, yes, there is this need to want to take off everything from your body, but it is not irritating and it does not itch. If it is human hair and it is itchy, it means it is dirty. So what is actually eating you is the product that has accumulated on the hair that is causing the itch. So it does not really irritate and it does not wound you. But when you are sweaty, or your place is damp and you are hot and you are wearing this, you feel like you want to go mad, right? So the thing is, it's like, it's so uncomfortable. You don't even want it to touch your skin, and it is not cool to the skin. One way I used to know, if I just go to any place, maybe I want to buy my supplier, and I just take it, I just feel it on my skin and I put it on my neck. Another way to know is, you smell it. It has this new smell, about, we're all women now, must have at some point in our life bought okrika, or you've maybe seen okrika. For those who don't know what okrika is, mean second-hand clothes that are not exactly brand new. If you smell it and you smell the brand new, there's a difference. These ones don't usually have any smell. They don't really have any smell like that. If they have, it has this camphor kind of smells. But this one, they smell new, they smell fresh, they have this freshen smell, or the way call it scent. Do you understand? These are pure ways to know the differences between hairs. And when you touch it, for some hairs, even though they are human hair, their strands are stronger than the others, but it is never as strong as this. And don't forget, before you use heat on a hair fiber, be careful, because it can burn. The third way to know differences between hair is using the burn test. I'm going to send you guys a link to a video on YouTube on how to carry out the burn test. I'm looking at my time, I don't want it to exceed 5 minutes, so please ask me questions if you have any questions. And we're meeting today by 7. Let's not forget, so we can round up. Come with your questions, okay?